activity for today. So ladies and gentlemen, have you enjoyed?
Yes, of course.
Let's see. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
So, see you in my dream. And again, sir, ma'am, we're very glad to have us as your crew for today's activity. And I, thank you very much. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Long live!
Long live. Thank you so much.
Muchas gracias. Sorry,
Muchas gracias.
gracias mel.
Mercy, mercy.
Ciao, ciao.
Merci beaucoup. So,
Do you think the rain is coming?
just call them the rent to stay there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't call the rain.
Seriously, I don't.
Maybe later.
Very beautiful. Gender?
They're both male.
Males, Persian, El Nido Palawan. Persian, very good.
We love
Peace,
cats.
peace, ano? Peace. Peace meaning? Very
Yeah.
good.
Ayaw ka para, sorry. Oh,
Wanna eat bread? Bread? Wanna eat bread? Try bread?
no.
Okay, fine.
No.
We're asking bread. Oh, you want bread?
Oh,
Oh,
they want to
yeah,
eat.
oh. You want bread, oh? What? Oh, it's not a bread.
Ay, they want to play.
No, they want to eat bread.
They want to play.
In Malaysia, do you have that?
Yes, of course, Malaysian cat, local cat of the country.
Super cat.
Yeah, local cat.
Power cat. Nice lagi film. Cute.
Come, sit, bread, hungry. They want
want to
bread, they want bread, they want to eat, but no, they're not allowed to eat bread. Thank you. Thank
Bye
you, sir.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.